aluminum CNC fabricated QMK/VIA Bluetooth keyboard. Presented by Analogg. Inspired by the space exploration, space, flame, full aluminum body. Wherever you go, Analogg follows and sparkle. Just a cool looking guy? Nope. Analogg supports QMK&VIA. You could customize and redefine every single key, according to your personal preference. Improves your work efficiency. Customizable backlight for every kind of mood. Supports 5 major OS. Max 8 device connection capacity at the same time. And switch smoothly. How about more? Gasket structure improves typing experience into a new level. Silicone gasket, sound-absorbing foam, brings smooth and quiet experience. A new level of typing. Plug in with Type-C cable to ultimate your gaming experience. Built-in 8,000 mAh battery, even you are in a long trip. Supports different Gate-All-Around switches. With passion to the unknown Analogg.